everyone's doing it every single day. We're all trying to get better, whether it be basketball. It's our craft. It's kind of our responsibility as humans to pursue progress. It's every single day. Recently I've said, you know, that's got to be the reason you wake up. It's the reason you walk out the front door. It's not to be average. It's not to do you know, a half-assed job. Do better than you did yesterday. So it runs deep, and it becomes even more, I don't know, what's the word, the more you've got to have that ambition. You've got to want it. It starts with you, or else, you know, that foundation is faulty, so it's not going to last. So it must start here, and that's just, yeah, pursuing progress. I mean, I could talk forever about it, but it also starts with you guys. You know, it starts in here. Good luck, guys. Pursue progress.